Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, after completing unit 9, 10, 11 and 12 for your FA3 portions, today I am going to teach you grammar portions of unit 9, trees of our friends lessons, page number 65 in your textbook. In grammar corner E part, the topic is verb agreement. If I explain to you, it is easy for you to understand what is grammar, that part, verb agreement. Okay? So let's get started. In your textbook, page number 65, open. Along with that textbook portions, I will send the notes to you. You have to write in your grammar notes book. And when you come for correction, bring classwork, homework, grammar book and cursive writing book for correction. I don't want anyone come with single book or one or two books. Let's get started. Verb agreement. So that what is that verb agreement is the main subject of this topic. Look at the following sentences. I is a tall girl. You am a good friend. Lonika and Rahul like students. Now children, in these three sentences, some wrong words are there. I know you all are know, but again I will teach you the verb. What is first, what is verb? Verb is a main part of parts of speech. English grammar. Verb is action words. All we are working: play, swim, eat, drink, sleep, jump, run, etc. These all are called verb. In bridge course, I taught you about that one. I hope those who are follow that video, they can understand verb what. So verb is going to connect with others' agreement. What is that? I is a tall girl. In this sentence, children, it is wrong where is. We should not use is verb. This is, am, is, are, was, were. These all are helping verbs. So we have to agreement that one with pronoun. Pronoun who? I. I is a tall girl. So in this sentence, I is pronoun. I after is will not come. It will come I am. I am. You are. We have. We are. They are. So the I was. You were, they were. It is depend on singular plural part. Okay. Am means singular. So I after should come am. I am a tall girl. You are a good friend. Lonika and Rahul likes to dance. Like to dance. Okay. So turn the page, children. Page number 66. Now the problem with these sentences is that the action words or verbs in them do not match with the subject. They need to be corrected as. So here are some wrong information is going. I am a tall. I am a tall is the correct. I after helping verb will come am. You are. You singular also you can tell you. Plural also you can tell you. So you are. I means singular I am. I should not come are. I also should not come is. Okay. So I helping verb am. I am a girl. It is singular number. Okay. Next, you are a good friend. Now in this sentence, children, you are, we can use singular also, plural also. Because you is common. Singular, plural both we can use. But after that, what helping verb we are using, it is depend on that one. Are, you are means also singular, you are means also plural. But after you are, which word or which letter we are using? A. A letter is showing singular. So you are a good friend. You are a good friend. In here, good friend means singular one. So you are a good friend. You after are verbs will come. Lonika and Rahul like to dance. Lonika and Rahul are plural, both two members. So here likes will not come. Likes means singular verb. Plural means like to dance. Next, for a singular subject, we need a singular verb. For a plural subject, a plural verb. Just I taught you children, you can understand. Singular means you have to see what that form given, singular or plural number. Number is singular means it is depend on singular verb. Plural means plural verb. So this is called subject verb agreement. Okay children, I hope you this much understand. They have given the chart. See, singular means Naresh is a baker. Naresh makes delicious cakes. So here Naresh is singular. So we may here mention is. A means singular. More means we have to write A should not come. It will come bakers. Naresh also not come. More name have to mention here. And Naresh makes delicious cakes. Naresh after makes given singular. Makes also singular. Naresh also singular. Make means plural. We have to use when singular. Makes, bakes, next plays, writes. All are verb after S will come for singular. Okay. Next plural. Naresh and Nasser are bakers. See children, you can, if you follow properly, you can understand two chart. Here singular means Naresh is. Here plural means two members name given. So given are. Are is plural form, means plural verb. Okay, helping verb plural. Are bakers, not baker, bakers. Naresh and Nasser make delicious cakes. In up they given Naresh makes. Here given two members mention after make. Okay. If you follow properly again and again listen and see the topics, you easily can understand that what they are going to tell you. Next they given the table below shows the matching verbs or pronouns. Some pronouns you know, I, we, they, it, he, him, his, her, they, their, these all are pronouns. So apart from this one, here given I am, I was. I am means now, present. I was means past. We are, we were. You are, you were. He is, he was. She is, she was. It is, it was. They are, they were. Now children, you can understand. I am means now present. I was means past. We are means now present. We are plural. We were past. You are same like that only. You are, you were. He is, he was. She is, she was past. It is singular. It was past singular. They are present plural. They were present. Past plural. Now I are given choose the correct answers. E1, see here you can understand many people are waiting outside. In this sentence, see people means more people, so plural are. The bouquet flowers has just arrived. This is third person, flowers is third person, so has have to come. These are also helping verb. Next children, 67 page. 3, 4, 5, 6, same as it is. The office next door was past closed. How you understand? Door means singular, so was. The print on the label is small. Label singular, so it came here is. Two cars, plural, were racing with each other. Was means singular, but two cars, a plural form, so were. He makes. He is third person, so singular, so makes, not make. Used the computer or even next. and writes or reports on it. Singular number means have to come singular verb makes or writes. Next, my neighbor is fond of dogs. Neighbor means singular, not neighbors. Okay, I go to school. I means children, you, yourself only, and this is our possessive. So you have to write go, not goes. Here it will, you have to tell ma'am, it is I go, I singular. No, only I purpose you have to use go. I, we, this, I have, we have, I go, you go, they goes, like that only, okay. The carpet is third person. Okay, so many stains on it. My grandparents, plural, love. Plural means verb will come, love. Here also given some options word. Ami think, Ami is singular, so think will come. Okay. Sorry children, here have to come things, yes. I put tick for things, but here mistake happened. You have to correct it. Things. There are 3 apples on the table. Are plural form. There apples means more. Next, my mother goes to gym every day. Goes, not go. Goes. Singular mother, so goes. I like, not likes. I means it is possessive, so I like, I go. Do you want to have some tea? Do you or not does, okay. My sister loves my funny jokes. Loves, sister means singular number, so loves. Next children, turn the page. Here also some circle words are given. Surabhi and Karan eats at the cafe. You have to first circle, then have to correct the sentence and write. Not eats. Eats means singular verb. It will come plural, eat. Same, like, not, likes. Ritu singular, so verb also comes singular, likes. Next, many students comes late to school. Students plural children, so should not come comes, have to come is plural verb. Next, the teacher like disciplined children. Teacher means singular, so have to write likes. I goes to the market to buy bread. Here won't come goes. It will come I go. I go, you go, they go. These all are singular means this pronoun only I, you, they. We have to use go. Okay. Others third person we have to write goes. So these are the verb agreement topics here. I hope you can understand. And next children, I send you the photos of the verb agreement lessons notes. You have to complete in your grammar note within soon. Tomorrow next I will send another video for next topics. I hope you all can understand children.